Okay, so let's see if I can get you to elevate your lines on your DXL. Open CAD. Hopefully it'll open on that side. There it goes. Let's see, you want to open okay, so you want to open the previous one. Hit, just get the dang drawing open. Then you want to save as. And you want to change these numbers. Okay. So you want to see this down arrow. You want to click that. Then that opens up. The lower area is lower 5. So you want to change. Let's get this bigger. You want to change these numbers to the 5th floor, which is 177.8. That one's done. Bring your cursor out here and hit escape, and then hit your other line. And the next floor up is 186.8, 186.66667. Enter. Click the next Z down, 168. Oops. That one I pushed in last time? Got it backwards. Make sure they're both the same and the right level. Come out here, bring your cursor out in the open and hit escape. And then you want to hit save. And that's all there is to that.